Hi you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a chalk pastel drawing for your street scene or for your throne or for your bedroom. It's faster than using color pencils the whole time and it looks better and it even gives you more of a realistic look. So I've already done a little bit, started it here, but first things first, you should get rid of the pencil that you've already drawn. So you can take your eraser, okay, and even though I erase, okay, what's really cool about chalk pastel is it erases really well. I'm going to take my Kleenex, okay? First things first. And if it doesn't blow off, you take your Kleenex, the clean Kleenex, okay? And then I'm gonna do this because I don't wanna smudge. I already got red on my fingers and it will smudge. So there's that, okay? I'm going to come over here. See if you look, I forgot to erase. And even when you erase, you guys, it will still show up the lines, but what happens is that gray lead does not mix in with your chalk, because if you get gray in there, what happens is it gets all muddy and it'll look like if I use red. See how it's blending right there? Okay, it's okay though, because if you look, the pastel, it just erases. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase this. Erase it first, don't make my mistake. I'm an example of a non-example. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Kleenex, there's this. Now I'm gonna use my, if you look right here, chalk pastels. You guys, please be careful with these. You're gonna have to share, they're not exactly cheap. I'm gonna continue on with my red. As you can see, I broke it in half because you're gonna be sharing. And I'm gonna go right here. I outlined it already, and then I'm gonna finish my outline because it's a lot easier. You can see where I did not get the all of the pencil off. Try to avoid, if I was gonna start here, it'd be bad because then if I go over here, it'll smear. Start from the left and work your way to the right. That way you don't smear and it doesn't look so bad. So right here, it's a little messy, but it's okay. All right, so I have that. I can use the corners like this. Okay, it doesn't have to fill up all the way, you guys, don't worry about it. Because we're going to be blending using Q-tips, okay? So there's that, okay? I'm gonna grab my Q-tip. So what's really cool about this, you guys, is if you look, I've already used that Q-tip. It's got blue on one side, red on this side, or blank, and it will have red. So I'm gonna go right here, okay? I'm gonna just blend it, okay? Don't worry about that. Now, if it's a little messy right there, don't worry, because we're going to, you can use your erasers to clean it up, okay? Okay, and look how fast that is. Okay, let me smooth that out. Okay, just like that. Come back to you later. See? Or you can tap it, and look how fast that was. And then when I can go back, I can always go back and make it a little better if I want to. Okay, just, you know, spend some time on it. Okay. So there's that. So there's that. Now, say I want to put some cracks in it, or even maybe make it like it's a crumbling building. So what I can do is I can take my eraser, okay? And then I can make like a little spot right there, okay? I will go back with a clean Q-tip, I think, right here for my erasers. And then using my red colored pencils, you can use regular colored pencils or, here we go. I can go in and then look, make it look like it's got cracks in it. Okay, and then I can make it bold around there. So the color pencils are more for detail, you guys. Now imagine if I had colored all of that with colored pencil. How long would it take me? It would take forever, and I don't need to do this forever. I think I'm gonna add some brown, Tuscan red for that, like brick red, okay? If I want, I can even go back and add like brick lines, make it brick, okay? And you can always go back with like a eraser like this for the thin lines. Okay, and then, see what I'm talking about? So save yourself some time, and it's gonna look really cool when you guys are done.